Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Remote desktop enabled, and the target PC has an administrator account with a strong password. Once done, record the PC name or IP4 address so you can connect later. Make sure Windows Firewall allows remote desktop, TCP 3389, or add a rule. Without this, you'll be blocked. Also verify both devices are on networks that permit RDP or that a VPN is available. These initial steps clear common access barriers and get you ready for connection. Once prerequisites are set, secure the network and credentials. Prefer connecting over a VPN rather than opening 3389 to the internet. If remote WAN access is required, configure router port forwarding carefully and use an uncommon external port mapped to 3389. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled on the remote PC and that you have the exact username and password. Test a local RDP session first to confirm the user account and firewall rules are correct before trying. Now you connect. Open remote desktop connection on your client, enter the PC name or IP, provide the user credentials, and click Connect. Adjust display and local resource options to improve responsiveness. Lower color depth or disable redirected drives if laggy. If you cannot connect, first confirm the remote PC is online, firewall rules permit RDP, NLA settings match, and VPN or port forwarding is active. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party security software on the host to rule out interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.